I'll be taking you through some of the paper handling and finishing options of the imageRUNNER Advanced 8500 and 6500 series. We'll also be walking through some of the exciting new finishing features that we're offering on these models. The imageRUNNER Advanced 8500 and 6500 series come standard with 5 paper sources and a paper capacity of up to 4,200 sheets. The addition of one of 2 optional paper decks adds 3,500 sheets for a maximum capacity of 7,700 sheets. The 6 models of the imageRUNNER Advanced 8500 and 6500 series support 2 paper decks that are cross-compatible with both series. The first paper deck option is the Paper Deck Unit E1, which holds up to 3,500 sheets of letter-size paper. This has been improved from the predecessor model by utilizing new feeder rollers, which help enhance the transfer capability. The second paper deck option is the POD Deck Lite C1, which also holds up to 3,500 sheets. This option offers a larger range of supported media than the small paper deck. When attached to the imageRUNNER Advanced 8500 series, it supports sizes as small as Statement R and as large as 13 inches by 19 inches. When attached to the imageRUNNER Advanced 6500 series, it supports sizes as small as Statement R and as large as 11 inches by 17 inches. Custom sizes are now supported with this paper deck as well. Another key improvement to this paper deck is the ability for the user to change the paper size without assistance from service. Whereas changing paper sizes on the predecessor model could be difficult and time-consuming, the POD Deck Lite C1 is simple and freely adjustable. Just like the paper cassettes and draws, this paper deck features auto size detection, so there is no need to manually enter the size when loading standard size paper. The imageRUNNER Advanced 6500 series supports Staple Finisher V1 and Booklet Finisher V1. These optional finishers feature 3 trays and support an output capacity of up to 3,500 sheets. These finishers also feature staple-free stapling and staple on demand, 2 exciting features that we'll discuss further in just a bit. Both Staple Finisher V1 and Booklet Finisher V1 support an internal hole puncher, available as an additional option. This internal hole puncher makes for a smaller overall device footprint, as the predecessor models only offered an external hole puncher. An optional document insertion folding unit is also available for cover and sheet insertion, as well as Z-fold and C-fold capabilities. The imageRUNNER Advanced 8500 series offers an even wider array of finishing options. Staple Finisher X1 and Booklet Finisher X1 feature 3 trays and support an output capacity of up to 3,500 sheets. For enhanced productivity, reliability, and functionality, Staple Finisher W1 Pro and Booklet Finisher W1 Pro are available. These optional Pro finishers support an output capacity of up to 5,000 sheets, feature staple trim, and boast exceptionally neat stacking capabilities. Booklet Finisher W1 Pro also includes a conveyor belt for continuous booklet production. In addition, the imageRUNNER Advanced 6500 series V1 finishers are compatible with the lowest speed model of the 8500 series, the imageRUNNER Advanced 8585i model. The imageRUNNER Advanced 8500 series also supports options for hole punching, document insertion, paper folding, and booklet trimming. I wanted to spend a moment to discuss the improvements to the professional puncher option. There are several really impressive improvements to this accessory. Previously, the puncher and the integration unit were 2 separate units. Now, they've been combined into one, reducing the device footprint. The supported paperweight has been increased so that any paperweight that can run through the main unit can also be punched. And, most importantly, whereas the predecessor model could only punch letter paper, this new professional puncher also supports additional sizes, including 12-inch by 18-inch, 11-inch by 17-inch, and legal. Staple Finisher V1 and Booklet Finisher V1, compatible with the imageRUNNER Advanced 6500 series and the 8585i, now come standard with staple-free stapling. This is where the paper is bound together with pressure and not the use of metal staples. This helps cut down on staple usage, and it's easier for users to separate their originals later on. This can be selected from the copy screen or the print driver. You can access this staple-free finishing from the same place you access other finishing options. Select Copy, then Finishing, Staple, then Next, then Staple-free. While the UI screen indicates that the max number of pages is 5, that is the official spec for 17-pound bond paper, which is not as common. For 20-pound bond paper, the official spec is 4 pages. Another benefit of staple-free stapling is that it makes for more efficient stacking. Here we have side-by-side the same document 4 pages, 50 sets. As you see on the right, the staple-free sets take up less space than the traditional staple on the left. Staple Finisher V1 and Booklet Finisher V1 also come standard with a convenience stapler, which we are calling Staple on Demand. Say you have a user who has a stapled set of originals that they want to make a copy of. They simply walk up to the device, remove the staple, and scan their original. After the copy is complete, the user can easily restaple their original right at the device. You can either push the green button, or it will automatically staple after a set amount of time. The default is 3 seconds, but this can be adjusted from 1 to 5 seconds. As you can see, the imageRUNNER Advance 8500 and 6500 series offers impressive paper handling and finishing options with some really valuable new features compared to the predecessor models. Be sure to view the other videos to learn more about the value-added features of the imageRUNNER Advance product line.